common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, what's going on? Let's hope I'm not laggy today. Everything looks okay here. Having a good day, plans coming together. Stocks, crypto, everything's moving pretty well how we want. Hopefully, like I said, we're not laggy here. I mean, I've got, maybe I should have restarted my computer. I got a lot going on here. Let me know if it's too bad. Dow up 516. What up, Hunter? Gary? NASDAQ up 190 after getting crushed earlier with Tesla dragging it down. I believe off the news of Ron Barron from the Barron funds. He had, what, 6 million plus shares, sold a couple of it. What up, Marco? So that scared everybody out. And you got the ARK funds. Well, some of them are down 20 to 31%, I believe now, at the lows today. But I think that was probably a decent low for a short-term bounce. What up, John G? So Bitcoin 49,300, Ethereum 1536, Litecoin 180.50. What's up, Vadim? So let's go over a few things here. We got a couple hundred people in here. Maybe slow up here for a second, let a few more people get in here. There's Carrie. What up, Rob? Welcome, Brian. Now I do see I'm getting a little bit laggy again. Big house. I don't want to give trades really away that we did for pro traders, but I will say Morrow is one that we was looking at. I did buy lower this morning. Hopefully I'm not too laggy here because I am getting a little bit of message from YouTube. I don't know if I can fix that a little bit here, maybe. Let me switch screens. Close a few things here, maybe see if that helps a little bit. All right, Federico. Maybe I'm all right. I'm getting a little bit of error message from YouTube, but let's see if we can do this. Probably should have restarted my computer. Here's Bitcoin USD. We usually look at the daily technometer. We're at 45. Got near a buy down there when we did that 43,000. We gave a buy around 47,000 unofficial, traded out of that at 51.2, I believe it was. And we did buy Bitcoin overnight at 47,900. For those of you in Discord, we bought Ethereum down there really at 1530-ish. We've got stops in, so we've got low risk trades on now. I'm going to show the LA wave counts because we're kind of out here in the middle of the open. I think we're still in the middle of a correction. I think stocks probably just made their first wave down over. Technometers got a little bit oversold. Dramatically oversold on some small caps, NASDAQ, SPY, not as much, but I think that was first wave of selling over with today. We bounce for a week and then we sell off again. I think crypto just follows that. If you know what we've been saying, crypto stocks moving together and risk on, risk off assets. Bitcoin USD consolidated technometer 44. There's not going to be any changes really in these things. Bitcoin USDT going to be 44 as well. 44 is neutral. 38 friendly, 50 not friendly. Would love to see a 50 technometer coming here on this rally. I think that'd be an extremely good sell on stocks and Bitcoin. Bitcoin USDT, see lower right technometer 44.16, right in the middle of neutral. Nothing too exciting. Let's go to the 5-minute while we're here. Wyckoff works off of 5-minute data. That's what Richard Wyckoff did in 1931. Here's our 5-minute data. You can see here overnight and today we did go to new low on the OP while price is holding. That is bullish. With an oversold technometer, that would have been extremely bullish. But I still think what we're doing here probably, if you know Elliott Wave, probably we entered a B wave today, possibly a wave 2. But that shows this is all selling from when we was around 49.7 on Bitcoin on the first. So we've had all selling. Somebody held the price up. Somebody was supporting it around 47.5. We're figuring out some institutions that had some bids in. Now we'll see if they want to chase it higher. Let's look at Bitcoin USD consolidated. Volume from 140 exchanges. Hopefully I'm not lagging too much. Nobody's saying much, so hopefully I'm okay. Bitcoin USD consolidated. Same thing, volume, new lows. Selling coming in, price holding, that's bullish. That is a bullish divergence by the Wyckoff method. Here's Bitcoin USD, Bitfinex. What's up, Gary? Nate? No one's complaining. 680 people in here, so I guess we're good. Cool. Let me wrench a couple people here. I got you, John. I had that layout, just wasn't using it. So trying to use it a little bit now. Here on, and this is interesting, Bitfinex volume has really led us to the downside. And you can see here on this last third chart, volume didn't go to a new low here, so maybe miners are backing off from selling. If that's the case, then probably we do have a nice rally here. So that's encouraging for longs. It does look like we're following stocks, so got to be careful, but I'm normally pretty hot on stocks. I gave the exact sell of the highs February 16th. Bitcoin did sound pretty well. It acted very well with everything topping out from the 16th, so maybe we'll Bitcoin will lead us back here, hopefully. Here's Ethereum USD consolidated. You can see continued selling while price holds. That 1440 level should be strong support. If that gives away, I will not be bullish short term because that should not give away. I'll be able to key off that level for longs. Here's Ethereum USDT consolidated. Again, volume from 140 plus exchanges. A true read on volume that not many people have, but we got it. And there's Ethereum USDT. Again, you can see new lows while price holds. Those charts look extremely bullish. Let's look at Litecoin then while we're here. Same thing, Litecoin USD consolidated, 5 minute. We'll look at NEO here in a minute for sure. There's Litecoin, same thing, new lows, lower right, price holds. And Litecoin USDT. I will say I've got a gentleman supposed to do a meeting today, local developer, that's going to get the crypto software, get some things built that we need for our own database, and then make it available to subscribers. So hopefully we're going to do that around a $25 price point. Not trying to price anyone out, get this powerful information in front of people. And here, Litecoin USDT, new lows in volume, price holding. So enough of that. Let's go to US stocks. There's the SPY. You can see here we had the sell signal on the 16th, exact day of the highs. Technometer gave us that. This morning we were around 41 and change, where we bottomed really the last 4 or 5 days. So I am still short the SPY, but I did buy 4 stocks this morning when the NASDAQ was crossing over to plus. I'm not going to give those 4 stocks because people pay for those. We will talk about them in the next 2 or 3 broadcasts. Hopefully once they've ran up and we got stops on them. If you want individual stocks, you got to join WyckoffSMI.com Pro Traders. And you also be allowed into the Discord for stocks. The crypto Discord is at patreon.com/learncrypto, $40 a month. Right there it is in front of you. So I think, again, I think yesterday's and today's lows is a low for a week or so. Then I'm looking for the technometer to get up near overbought again, and we'll call that a test of the highs, and then another rollover for lower is what I'm hoping. QQQ, again on the 16th, we gave a sell here. New low this morning, NASDAQ going back to unchanged. We actually made some purchases here, so we're going to call that a green buy. Let's save that. So I would say there Wyckoff showed its strength. I'm buying that one, so let's throw that on there. So again, I think we've done, if you look at Elliott wave, I mean, this could have been an ABC down, could be 5 waves down. I think probably it's 5 waves down, and now we bounce. We'll probably get above this 324 level, get everybody friendly at a 326, 327, 328, and then probably I'll turn seller again. That's my thoughts right now. And then if we get that tech sell in the stocks, hopefully we got the same thing in the cryptos, and we'll sell both of them. Hopefully we'll take profits on everything. Wait for the next trade. Here's NIO. Quick low this morning at 3180, 3191 or so. Technometer's right at 40.8, so not huge oversold, but that one's been crushed. I know I talked about this one not acting well and headed down. Hope some people stay out of trouble. I gave you Tesla. I was telling you up here at 850, 860. It wasn't acting well. It was going to break down. It did. Amazon, I gave that to you. Said it looked like distribution. It was going to go down and test the support level. Did that this morning. Sprung that level. The technometers are 48. So again, dead cat bounces is what I believe is going to happen here. Again, I'm not going to give stocks that we bought. I'm not going to give our hand away on those at the moment, since we got people to pay for it. So just know we were doing a little bit of buying as the NASDAQ crossed over to plus. Let me go in. I'll try to check KNC here in a minute. I think that one's in the software. Let's look at, first of all, let me check the Dow here to make sure I'm okay going into the close. Dow up 510, NASDAQ 163. Here is, let's go to the 4 hour. Let's go to this chart here. This is a chart I've been showing. I really think probably, here's the most bullish count. This morning's low was a wave 2. If you can see that, we need 5 waves up. And we'll be starting wave 3 here. That's the most bullish count. That would be if Bitcoin comes alive when stocks try to bounce here. Personally, I think probably this is our preferred count. We've had the A down in the red. We're working on a B up. That B up will be an ABC, which I show in green. So this morning's low was a B. We're headed up. We're going to take out 52.5, probably do a 54.55, and then hopefully I'm going to say we'll have a sell signal at that time. So we bought, we got stops in. Let's see if that works. Same type of chart for Ethereum, basically. Somewhere here, an A down, probably ABC down, ABC up, then another sell-off. These could be triangles that'll form here. So same thing, B up, and then instead of breaking down hard, I've given levels on Ethereum around 1200. I've given Litecoin 125. I've given Bitcoin 39,000. So those are worst case scenario probably. If we're bullish, we're going to do triangles on everything. And then new highs after that. And again, Bitcoin would really come alive here, which it hasn't today, but that doesn't mean it won't do that tonight, overnight, etc. Then I think we're probably looking at 5 waves up for a new high. Wherever that chart is. I got too many charts going. This here, a rally to above like 60, 61,000. I think of the technometer neutral volume, the volume did give us a bullish divergence I showed earlier, so this could still be on the table here, a new high for Bitcoin coming, especially as stocks rally firmly. So let's look at Litecoin real quick. It's the same type of thing. V waves in a regular flat. I mentioned that in the Discord. And again, volume went to a new low on the B wave while price held. So you would think we could rock and roll the upside here. Do your own research. This is only entertainment purposes only. These are trades we are doing though. In our Discord, 500 people in there, and we do manage assets and cryptos and stocks. So if you want help on the stock side, we do it through Charles Schwab. Kerry can help you open an account at Schwab. And then I'm listed as manager. On the cryptos, we just do a trading API, trade view manage, cannot withdraw or transfer. Extremely simple. Let me run a disclaimer.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
And then while we're here, talked about Nick. He took a 10 banger on BNB. He is back long BNB. We're probably going to be more in the trading mode since we do think we're in still sideways to lower on stocks and crypto. So I don't think any big home runs are coming. Just some singles and doubles here. I don't think you can look for any massive rallies at the moment. So we're going to be looking to trade. Let me reload the software. We can go back and look at a few of these daily charts. Looking forward to my tech guy fixing some of these screens, as you can see. Let's go back to Link. Link USD Consolidated. What's up, Stark? App is not in my software. Again, those are issues my guy's hopefully going to be fixing then. We're going to build more crypto sector indexes to really do more the Wyckoff method, which is to figure out the line of least resistance, look into different sectors, find the strong ones, and then find the strong coins inside the sector. Link USD technometer 43.4. Volume did go to a new low this morning. I'd key off today's low for any type of short-term strength. But again, I think a lot of these coins will still see selling after a week-long rally maybe here. A week-long rally. Link USDT 45.29 technometer. OP didn't go to a new low here. It's pretty well in lockstep with price. KNC USD Consolidated for low. Showing some nice strength the last 3-4 days. Technometer 47. Volume hitting, coming up to new highs. So KNC is looking pretty well. What's up, William? So KNC looking good there. Let's look at AV over here. I've got some of these down at the bottom, so let me. AV USDT. That's the 4-hour. Quick run to 590, back to 290. I would think we could get a rally up here in this 450, 470 level maybe, and then probably would be a trader. Shout out to the new Patreon member. Nick's on there saying we just got. Patreon's a place to be, I must say. Anybody in there will say the same. Cheap $40, that's not even your cable bill. To make some pretty big gains we've had in there. So, anybody got any stocks they want to look at? I will look at a few stocks here. Amazon, trying to find some support. See how long that lasts. Appreciate it, Lori. Again, hopefully I get this crypto software working for everybody. You can spend all day with the software. Let's look at ones that I've been looking at. What else we looked at? QFIN. This is one that we have paid attention to recently. Talked about that thing down here at 18, ran to 32. crazily. So possibly here it looks like maybe we've had a jump across the creek and a backup. Technometer oversold. Let's look at NVIDIA. That was one that I didn't really like up at the highs. Appreciate it, Mohammed. I got a little bit of skill, been doing this forever. Do it 24/7, so I'm pretty good. There's NVIDIA, ran up and did an up thrust, suckered everybody in, went down, tested, sprung the lows today. I would have guessed this is a sign of weakness. We're going to get a rally up here, 545 or so. That would need sold for another smash. That would be my guess on NVIDIA. AMD was the same type of thing. I'd mentioned that one wasn't acting well at the highs. It did the same thing. Could still be accumulation. Sprung the lows this morning. Oversold technometer. We'll watch that one on the next rally, next decline. What are the wild ones we need to look at? Upwork. Well, I do not have that one. Hold on a second. Not in the system on that one. Tel, I believe it's in. Tellurian. Let's look at the 9-month chart here. If a little bit of Elliott wave on this, I would have said support was around 251 to 223. So I think that one, we got an oversold technometer. Nice ABC pullback and the OP. So I would think that one bounces here. Maybe sell it after it bounces, but I would expect a bounce. Mara, M-A-R-A, or Marathon Digital. Been a home run. You can see I've marked a trading range. We sprung that this morning. Been stronger. Technometer's not oversold because you can see here volume has not come into the downside. If you like crypto and you like stocks here, Mara's got to be a home run. Or at least a rally back here, stay in this trading range. One definitely to watch or be long here. PayPal. Let's do the 9-month chart on PayPal. Quick sell-off. You will notice February 16th was a high. That's where I gave a sell. You could have sold PayPal at 305. Could have bought it back today around 233 based on our Discord. I gave that sell to Discord. Plus I gave it to everybody on YouTube, Twitter. I gave that one away for free. The archetype growth stocks have been hammered like these here. PayPal, ROKU, another one hammered. The 16th, could have sold at a new high above 486, down to 352. What other? API was one that was looking unbelievably well at the top. I think that was one that everybody's been on. That one got absolutely halved. 113, 250. Oversold technometer. You will see, let's go back to 1 year. I mean, that one did kind of jump the creek at 62. So that one could be good for a strong bounce. Get rid of the sellers in the ARK ETFs. Some of these could have strong bounces. I do not have silver futures in the software. I used to, but nobody really used it. So I cannot do that, Chris. You probably haven't been following me because I have been short GDX since October 1, I believe it is, as marked there on the chart. Still short. Technometer was at oversold 32. We're up to 40.5. Not sure if I should have covered shorts today. That's something I'm thinking about. We've had a good, we're long dust, which is the ETF that's short GDX miners, inverse. Let me show the dust real quick. Then we're going to go to SLV. There's dust we've been showing. We were a buyer at 1880 over here. I've been along that one. Technometer was overbought, now back to neutral. So hopefully we can hold in here and still continue higher. A lot of people was bullish on silver there at the highs we made. I mean, SLV is trying to hold up much better than the miners. That's why we were short the miners. So, I mean, not a bad looking chart on its own for SLV. Oversold Technometer. That makes me a little nervous being short GDX. So we'll watch that. We've got 25 minutes to go for stocks. NASDAQ up 190, Dow up 558. Few stocks performing nicely here, so that's about all I got. It's Friday. I need a break. Still haven't made it home. So stocks made a low this morning, I think. Rally for a week. Bitcoin made a low this morning. Rally for a week. Mohammed, I went over cryptos already. One thing I didn't do that we're going to do, we'll go back to our Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index that we built ourselves a while back. I will do gold here in a second, no problem. So I think we're in a rally here for 7 to 10 days, possibly, let's say, until everything deteriorates, and then we will take trades off. We still have hodl bags in crypto and stocks. We'll take trades off. There's Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index, 42 in the Technometer. If it was a 40, I'd be screaming bullish, but it's not. So we will wait on that. Still think we bounce. Here's ONT USD. Nice little spring 2 days ago. Maybe we tested it today. I would key off today's low. Technometer 41.3. New low in the OP. I wouldn't be worried about being long ONT. I think it could rally here some. That's all I got for ONT. Let's go back to GLD. And Mohammed, you are late again. Sorry about that. If we're doing a show, normally it's straight up 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. Here's GLD, a little longer term. That's why the gold miner index has been slapped down. We gave a sell up here October 1. On this chart would have been right here after we broke down through support, came back and kissed it. We did it a couple times, which made the trade a little more pain, but I have been patient with this one and stayed with it. Hopefully everybody stayed with it. So, and once again, Technometer 38.14. I would love to see another 2 or 3 day washout, and then I will be out of shorts. Probably will not go long, but I'll be out of shorts. It seems like everybody that was buying up here are now turning bearish, obviously because the chart looks horrible. But we're trying to do the opposite of everybody. That's where the money is at. Minimum management in crypto is 10,000, preferably 25 if you're not in our Discord. If you're in Discord, I'll do 10,000. 3% annual fee, 1/4 of that charged quarterly. You do a trading API where I trade, view, manage. I cannot withdraw or transfer. And then we got to mail you our invoice for payment. So it's extremely simple. XRP, let's go back to that one. One that we really don't no hodl bag in XRP for us. Nick's not a big fan. I'm not either. We had a break-even trade a while back around the 50 level. Then I made a 60% gainer in a day when we were trading between 42 and 65, I believe. That's the only trades that we've done. New low here on the OP 2 days ago. Technometer 42. I'd be a seller of this if we get this 7 to 10 day rally. Looking to buy it back cheaper, lower your cost, do something. Bitcoin 49,320. Nick is on here. He's talking under the Wyckoff SMI gold banner. Just because of COVID, he's not in here. Again, we're going to start zooming him in some. If you're in Discord, he's in there. He lives and breathes in Discord. He answers every question. Has made 10 to 25x on some trades. Appreciate it, Gary. Longtime supporter. Again, Nick, let's go through a few of Nick's. BNB was a buyer 21.28, never sold that sucker till 265. Bought it back at 201, sold 227, bought it back at 210, sold 227, I believe. And now we're back along again. Bake, he caught that one. He caught Cake at 265. Sold some higher, still has a good position. SXP, bought that at $1. Those have been big ones. Nick knows his fundamentals on small caps. I have no problem saying that. Guaranteed. Everybody will support that. H-bar is not in my software, but I do have it over here. I know that's one what Credible Crypto has been on. Went to 18. Yesterday late. If you know Woody Wyckoff, you want to be long strength, so that's one that has been strong. So that one I would think would keep trying to work higher. If we do get that another Bitcoin sell-off in a few weeks, few months, I'd be on this one at lower levels probably, or wherever we get a pullback. Appreciate it, Mohammed. We are beasts. I will say that. We're not just talking, we're trading, managing money, so no BS here. And you can't say you buy every dip, you buy every coin. You only have 100% of your money, so you can't buy a coin and then buy more as it goes down and buy more and then load your bag at the lows. That's all BS. If your bag's full, you can't trade it again. That's all that's crypto Twitter's good for. Then they can show they bought the low. That's all I got. 45 minutes, 657 people. Give me a share or a like. That is all I got. I do have to shout out learncryptomerch.com, Pork Blaster t-shirt. Chris the Ish takes care of this. So we're going to shout him out. He's done all the work. that's what we got going on now. So that is all I got. It's Friday, 15 minutes to go in the stocks. We still got NASDAQ at the highs up 190, Dow up 580, S&P up 74. Just to make it clear on the record, we're still short with the SDS, but I did buy 4 stock positions today when NASDAQ was turning plus. I'm going to trade out of that SDS sometime here if I get a good signal, or I might just stay short it and trade these stocks to the long side until we roll down again. Any big action this weekend, good chance I'll be live again. What up, Soul Controller? As always, we are doing this full time. I got a computer set up next to my bed. I'm in front of 8 monitors now, 3 or 4 behind me. And I'm still married, I think. So that's it. Bitcoin 49,130, Ethereum 1531, Litecoin 180.90. I'm trying to get home maybe Sunday or Monday. We got 8 acres at our other property. Need to get home and do some spring work. Get the pool, a little work done on it. Clean up some trees after some major ice a month ago. Hopefully, maybe we're going to have a party in our backyard sometime this summer, next summer. Or we're going to meet in Belize, or we're going to meet in Vegas. Everybody's made enough money they need to get off the couch and get out of the computer, and we'll have a meet-up somewhere. Later, JR, Lauren. Yes, Lauren, I was in there today. Again, we manage money at Charles Schwab. Kerry can help you open an account there. One of the bigger trusted custodians. I'd be advisor on the account. I think Nick's got his own work now. And he's got honeydew projects now. He's getting married, so his life's over. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. I'm going to run a couple commercials. We're going to run a commercial for private client group, stocks or crypto, and the crypto Discord. We will catch everybody. Have a good weekend, and I'm out of here. Peace.
Want to gain access to our private Discord channel? By subscribing to our pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, tools, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you trading or investing in the fast-moving and exciting cryptocurrency markets? If so, you need to learn how to identify primary trading opportunities by implementing the Wyckoff trading methods, which was created by world-renowned stock speculator Richard D. Wyckoff. This online course teaches all you need to know to increase your returns while minimizing your risk using the Wyckoff trading method. Over 915 students have enrolled in the course since its launch in late 2017. LearnCrypto.io is owned and operated by Wyckoff SMI, also known as Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, which has been an authority on the Wyckoff trading method for over 85 years. Founded by Richard Wyckoff in the 1930s, Wyckoff Stock Market Institute has owned the rights of the Wyckoff trading course since the beginning. Take advantage today of this excellent course and begin reaping the rewards of a time-tested method from the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.